Gadget God here, and today I'm going to show you how to back up your Nintendo Switch game save data. Now you will need a Nintendo Switch online account, $20 for 1 year, I'll put the links down below, but this is how you actually back up your save data. What you want to do is go to whatever game you want to back the data up for and hit the start button, and there you go, Save Data Cloud Backup. It's towards the bottom, select that, and then select that you want to back it up. It will show you this screen showing the last time it was backed up, what your save file sizes are. You can set it to automatic save data backup, which I did. So when you're connected to internet, it will periodically back up your save data automatically for you. You can manually have it back up your save data. I'm going to do that right now. Oh, well, it's already backed up. I can't double back it up. And then if you want to download the save data, because maybe you got a new Nintendo Switch and you want to get your old save data back, then select download save data. And then you can delete your save data. Maybe you're getting rid of the game and you're never going to play it again. So delete your save data if you want. Now let's say you're afraid of accidentally deleting your backup data. It will actually give you a very stern warning that you're about to delete your save data if you select to delete your save data. It's gonna say, whoa, are you sure you wanna do that? So this will only delete your backup save data, as you can see here. It's not gonna delete the data that is stored locally on your console. So you can feel free to do this if you're gonna sell a game and you'll never play it again. Otherwise, I recommend keeping automatic save data backup set to on. You can do this for each individual game. Go under, and then make sure you have it set to auto. Keep automatic save data backup on. Now there are some games that don't allow you to have save data backup. At the time of this video, Splatoon 2 is one of them. So what if you try to do it? It tells you right there, you can't do it with this game. Pretty lame. You should be able to do your automatic save data backup with every single game. Another word of caution that once your Nintendo Switch online membership expires, your backup save data is automatically deleted immediately. So if you renew your membership, you want to back up your save data right away. So that was a quick and easy tutorial on how to automatically back up your save data, how to back it up manually, and then if you get a new Nintendo Switch console, sign in with your same Nintendo account, put the game in and choose download save data. That way you can restore your save data if you get a new console. Quick tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. I'm the Gadget God. I do the research, so you don't have to. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and check out my channel for more Nintendo Switch gameplay, tips, and tricks.